Get ready to blast off into the ultimate gaming experience. We're talking about the Skytech Gaming Nebula, folks. This powerhouse of a PC is designed to take you on a wild ride of thrilling gameplay, mind-blowing visuals, and edge-of-your-seat action. First up, let's talk about the brainchild behind this beast, the AMD Ryzen 7 7700 processor. What does that mean for you? In simple terms, it means this baby can crank out some serious speed. We're talking 3.8 GHz base clock speed with a turbo boost of up to 5.3 GHz. That's like having your own personal superhero sidekick when it comes to processing power. But what really makes this processor shine is its incredible cooling system. The high-performance air cooler is designed to keep the chip running smoothly, even under intense stress. Think marathon gaming sessions or record-breaking frame rates. This means you can push the limits of your favorite games without worrying about overheating and ruining your experience. Now, let's talk graphics, because in today's world, a great gaming PC needs top-notch visuals to truly shine. That's where the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 comes in. With its 8 GB of GDDR5 memory, this card is capable of delivering stunning 1080p Full HD resolutions and silky smooth gameplay at 60+ frames per second. To break it down even further, GDDR5 refers to a type of RAM that's super fast and efficient, allowing for faster loading times and smoother visuals. Another key feature that sets the Nebula apart is its impressive memory, a whopping 16 GB of DDR5 RAM with heat spreaders. Think of this like a powerful turbocharger for your computer. It gives the processor an extra boost when you need it most. And don't even get me started on the cooling system here. Those ARGB fans are not just pretty to look at, they're also expertly designed to keep the whole thing running smoothly. Now, let's talk about storage, because when you're playing the latest games, you want fast loading times and snappy performance. That's where this 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD comes in. To break it down, NVMe stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express, which is a type of solid-state drive that's super fast and efficient. Think of it like a high-speed highway for your data. With up to 30 times faster performance than traditional hard drives, you can expect lightning-quick loading times and seamless gameplay. But what really gets me excited about the Nebula is its price-to-performance ratio. This thing is an absolute steal considering how much power it packs under the hood. I mean, we're talking top-tier NVIDIA graphics cards, a beast of a processor, and top-shelf memory all at an unbeatable price. And if you're worried about getting stuck with bloatware or unnecessary software, rest assured that the Nebula is completely clean, no extra junk to slow you down. Of course, no gaming PC would be complete without some connectivity options. That's why this bad boy comes equipped with 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and a range of USB ports for hooking up your peripherals. Think HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-A, USB-B, and even USB-C, whatever your needs are, the Nebula has got you covered. One last thing, when it comes to gaming rig quality, it's not just about what's under the hood, it's also about how well it holds up in terms of reliability. That's why Skytech Gaming is committed to delivering top-notch performance and customer support. A 1-year warranty on parts and labor means you're protected against any unexpected issues. So there you have it, folks. The Skytech Nebula Gaming PC is an absolute powerhouse of a machine that's sure to take your gaming experience to new heights. With its incredible specs, unbeatable price-to-performance ratio, and top-shelf build quality, this thing is a dream come true for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. Want to check out the Nebula for yourself? Click the link below to get the best deal on this incredible gaming rig. Trust me, you won't regret it.